Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how they make gummy bears. We'll start by looking at the essential ingredients that give gummy bears their unique texture and taste. Then, we'll explore the precise mixing and cooking processes that transform these ingredients into a delicious liquid. You'll discover how the mixture is prepared for molding, ensuring consistency. Finally, we'll cover the crucial steps of shaping and drying, giving gummy bears their iconic form and chewiness, ready for enjoyment. The journey of a gummy bear begins with carefully combining sugar, glucose syrup, and water in large kettles. This mixture is heated to create a thick, sweet syrup. Next, gelatin, which provides the characteristic chewiness, is slowly incorporated and dissolved. The entire concoction is then cooked at precise temperatures, often around 230 degrees Fahrenheit, for a specific time to achieve the perfect consistency before the next exciting step. Once the base mixture is ready, it's time to add the magic of flavor and color. Natural fruit extracts and vibrant food colorings are carefully blended in, giving each gummy bear its unique appeal. The flavored liquid is then deposited into thousands of cornstarch molds. These molds, often arranged on large trays, precisely shape the liquid into the familiar bear figures, ensuring every gummy has its iconic form before it sets. After being molded, the gummy bears embark on their final transformation, drying. They are typically left in their starch molds for several days, allowing excess moisture to evaporate and achieve their signature chewy texture. Some manufacturers then tumble them with a very thin coating of beeswax or carnauba wax to prevent sticking and add a slight sheen. Finally, the perfectly formed and dried gummy bears are carefully packaged, ready to be enjoyed by candy lovers everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.